Oh goodness, look at what I have stumbled across. The $4 boxes. I wasn't gonna buy any, but now that I'm here and you guys have pushed me, then I think I need to grab a couple. So let's see which one I'll pick up. Okay everybody, so here we are with 3 boxes. You guys have convinced me to get some grab bag boxes. I was in the store one day and I seen these. Now I bypassed these boxes and bags around Halloween. I was not gonna do it. I'm still in the process of trying to move, and I just did not want to create any more extra stuff than I already have, right? So for Halloween, I passed on them. I passed on them just recently when I seen them for Christmas stuff. But you guys, a few of you have been emailing me and DMing me on Instagram telling me to go get the boxes. So here we are with 2 boxes like this and one of the really long ones like that, and that one was still $4. Please excuse the floor. I am in the garage. I planned on using my treadmill as like a table. All the leaves always blow in my garage. I have not swept them out yet, but that's why I'm like, okay, you guys just gonna have to bear with me, because normally when I unbox these, I do it in the house, which I was like, okay, I don't feel like doing that because you guys can hear Pooh Bear in the background playing. I didn't want to open them in the house because then I have to remove everything back out to the garage where I plan on storing it anyway. So I just said they just gonna have to bear with me and my leafy floor in my garage. Yeah. So I'm about to get these open and we are going to see. I'm really curious to see what's in this long one, but I'm gonna get these open and we'll see what I got. I know I'm unorganized today, but hopefully you guys love me enough to not care. So let's see. Look at my dog. He's like, Mom, what is in the box? Okay, so let's see. Let me fix this camera. Hold on. All right, so let's see. Okay, in this first one, now I don't plan on keeping a lot of stuff I don't need, so if I have to donate, I will. But so far I see a bunch of these and they were originally $3. So let's see how many I got. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my goodness. Oh, they dropped. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 so far. Straight ridiculous. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Are you serious? 17 of those so far. 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 of the gold ones. Oh my gosh. 21 of these. Look at that. 21. And then some dropped right here. Okay. Let's see how many red ones. You guys know I'm not keeping all these. So even though it's a good deal, $3 each, and I only spent $4 on the box, but I mean, goodness, I don't need all this. So 21 gold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Messing up my nails. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Are you serious? I got a whole box of tinsel. Oh, that is so crazy. Okay, so that was in the first box. I probably will keep, I don't know, I'll probably keep like 4 of each, but all of this is about to go to a thrift store. So I'm not gonna hold y'all on this one. I'm gonna start in box number 2. Okay, so box number 2. Y'all, recording with one hand is harder than it looks. Okay, let me see. This one looks a little more promising, but let's see. So far, let me see. I'm actually gonna toss everything over in that box right there. Okay, so Tiny Treasures, some little ornaments. These retailed for $5. Oh, some of these are broke down at the bottom, but these were really cute. The little Nutcracker ornaments, and these retailed for $10. Oh my goodness, look at this headband. How cute. That was $12. Little reindeer. Here is some garland. I don't know where it starts and where it ends, but here is a garland right here. Let me see. That was retailed at $12. Yes, I'm throwing everything, you guys. Here's some foam shapes. There's 30 of them in there for $8. Here's another one. Snowflakes. Another snowman. See, this is why I didn't want to do it in the house, because I'm just tossing stuff. Okay, here's some hooks, but they're open, but they're really, really big, large ornament hooks. Here's another pack. Oh, look at these. These are cute. I'll keep these. Some puffy stickers. Those are cute. Let me bend down because my... Okay. Here's some more foam shapes. These are, look like ornaments. I always find the randomest like ornaments in here that looks funny to me. Look at him. Is this a sheep? Is it a chihuahua? What is this? I don't know, but I think I'm gonna keep this one. He has a little wood thing on his neck. Kind of looks like my dog, just a little bit. So I will keep that. Here's some stockings. Ornament. What was the price on that? That's like $7 for that. Some more hooks. Ornaments. I am trying to go fast, you guys, because I got another box. This was $15. This is cute. Little mermaid with the cactus and the llama and all of that. 59 pieces. That's cute. I'll probably save that for next year. Here's some more ornament pom-poms. I'll keep these. These can be used as for planters or whatever like that. So I'll keep the little pom-poms. I love pom-poms. Here's a notebook. Some more ornaments. Some tiny treasure ornaments. Here's a Garland Kit. That's kind of cute. 67 pieces in that. Oh my goodness. A big old unicorn. Look at that. Oh, that's so funny. Oh, that's kind of cute. Look at the tail. Oh, I'll probably keep this. I don't know. Maybe I could take this little Christmas thing off and use it just for whatever. And this was retailed at $14. It says tinsel character. Kind of big. That's cute. I like the tail. I might keep that. Here's some more foam shapes. Let's see. I'll just leave it in here. A little angel pick. This retailed for $4.99. Here is, oh, I'll keep this for my dog. A DIY ornament, $2. We can probably paint that, or I might leave it white because my dog is white. So I'll keep that. Some more ornaments. Tiny treasure ornaments. These look like little sea urchins, but they're cute. Here's a big old jumbo roll of wired velvet ribbon. I don't know. I might keep that. I'm not sure. Some more foam shapes. Some more foam shapes. Here is one of those melty bead kits that you put together and you can melt it. This was $1.50. I don't know if my daughter will want that. Some of this little extra of whatever. And then another set of ornaments, but one or two. Let me see. Two. Looks like just two is broken there. That's fine. So that was box number 2, and now I have to pick all of that up that I just tossed out. So let me pick that up, and here we are with the biggest box. So let's get that open and see what's in this one. I see a lot of something in here. It looks like repeats of something. Let's see. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh wow. Oh, do I see a planner? I see a planner. Okay. Oh goodness. What are these? Oh gosh, sticker rolls. $3 each. So there's rolls of stickers. I guess that one looks like that. It has like candy canes and stuff on it. Oh my gosh. Do I need to count how many is in here? Okay, I'm not gonna make you guys wait through this. I'm gonna count those, but I do see some planners, so I'm happy about this box so far. But let me count how many sticker boxes there is. Hold on. Oh wait, first let me take these out. Some more of these. So 3 of those so far. Okay, let's count these. $45, $46, and I'm just tossing them now. $40. This made $47, and I won't be surprised if there's more down in here. So there was 47 of these little sticker roll packs. Okay, so now that I got all those out, let's see what else I have. Okay, I'm excited to look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is perfect. It is the happy planner for a student. So my daughter can use this. Well, oh man, August. So it's already started and it is dated. So it'll only go to July, but that's cool. February, March, April, May, June, July. She'll have a couple months. She can mess around with this and use this. That's cute. And it's the unicorns, live life in color. Okay, that's kind of cool. I wish it would have been longer, like all the way through 2019. I don't see a price on this, so I'm not too sure how much that was, but that was cute. And I do see another one in here. Look at that one. And this is the happy planner for kids. What I look like giving this one to Pooh Bear. I might and let him just draw in it and put his stickers in there. He likes to color and draw, but it has the washi tape, and this one also goes to July 2019. Look at that. Okay, that's cute, and it has the little trucks and everything. I like that. Lazy day, game day. Oh, I like this one. So, and then I also see another one. How cool. So this box was definitely worth the $4. Here's another student one, and it also goes to July, and this one looks like this. So that one is a student. This is cute. Okay, so I got 3 sets of planners, and then what is this? Removable decor. Oh, adhesive fabric. That's cool. You know, I was just thinking about getting some of this. And it's the faux wood, and then these 2 patterns on the side. 3 sheets, frames not included, but you can do whatever you want with this. You can cut it and do whatever you want. Do they say the length? 20 by 16. Do not worry. Oh, look at that. Okay, I definitely needed this. Oh, this is perfect. I was looking for this right here. So I got that one. Actually 2 of those, so I'm happy about that. Oh god, and more tinsel. And I'm not gonna pull all this out. I just want to see if there's anything underneath it. Nope. And a bunch of tinsel, you guys. So that is it for my Michaels boxes. I literally was not going to go get these, like I said, but I was convinced, and I feel bad because I always enable you guys, like when I do my videos and everything. So when I started getting messages and DMs and stuff, I was like, okay, you guys can enable me. So you guys pushed me to go get these boxes. I'm kind of happy that I did, although that was a lot of tinsel and a lot of stickers. So I'm done. So 3 boxes. I will not be going to go get any more. I think that was enough. Because like I said, now I have to donate most of this because, you know, I'm not going to use all this tinsel and all of these stickers. So yeah, but that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of these 3 Michael boxes. They did have a bunch of them. Oh my god, there was crates of them, and she said they'll be putting more out. I'm a not say that, because if I go back to Michael's and I see like one of the boxes with some decor sticking out of them, then I may grab a box or two maybe in the future. But for now, I'm done, and that's it. So thank you guys all for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. You hear Pooh Bear? Say it again, honey.
Bye.
Okay.